let us solve this wonderful question before us. Given that P equal to minus 3I plus 4J and Q equal to 2I minus J, evaluate the magnitude of 2P minus 3Q. Okay, solution. Okay, given that P equal to minus 3I plus 4J and Q equal to 2I minus J given. So, and what are we looking for? We are looking for what? The magnitude of 2P minus 3Q, which is not given, the value of it. We are looking at what? The value of the magnitude of 2P minus 3Q. So that is what we are looking. P is given, the value of P is given, the Q is also given, but the magnitude of 2P minus 3Q is not given. So let's look for it. First of all, we need to find the value of what? 2P. From here, 2P. The value of 2P equal to 2 multiply everything called P. And P is given as what? Minus 3I plus 4J. Now, 2 multiply, bracket say do me first. 2 multiply minus 3I will give us what? Minus 6I in direction of I plus 2 multiply 4J. We have it as what? 8J. So the value of 2P, the value of 2P is equals to what? Minus 6I plus what? 8J. Okay, we need to look for what? The value of what? 3Q. Now 3Q equal to 3 multiply everything called Q. And Q is given as what? 2I minus J. What are we doing? We multiply the bracket. 3 times 2I will give us what? 6I. That is 6 in direction of what? I. 3 times minus J will give us what? Minus 3 in direction of what? J. So the value of what? 3Q is equal to what? 6I minus what? 3J. But we are not looking at the value of all this. We are looking at what? The value of what? The magnitude of 2P minus what? 3Q. Okay. Now, for 2P minus 3Q, we need to look at the value of 2P minus what? 3Q. Okay. 2P minus 3Q is equal to, what is the value of 2P? The value of 2P is minus 6I plus 8 plus what? 8J. Close it. Minus the value of what? 3Q. And the value of 3Q is what? 6I minus 3J. So what are we going to do? We are going to have the value of 2P minus 3Q equal to, what do we have here? We need to do what we call collection of what? Like term. I to I, J to J. Are you with me? Direction of I to direction of I here. Direction of J to direction of what? J here. So what do we have? Minus 6I minus 6I plus 8J minus Remember there is a minus, minus j, minus 3j. Okay? The value of 2p minus 3q equal to, remember that this is I, factor it out, minus 6 minus 6, all in what? In direction of what? I, plus what? 8 minus minus. 8 minus minus is what? Minus minus is what? Plus. Return to what? Plus 3. In which direction? In direction of what? J. Now what do we have here? We have the value of this. Minus minus will give us minus 12 in direction of what? I. Plus 8 plus 3 will give us 11 in direction of what? J. So the value of 2p minus 3q equal to what? Minus 12i in direction of I plus 11 in direction of what? J. That is the value of what? 2p minus 3q. But we are looking for what? The value of what? The magnitude of 2p minus 3q. Okay? The magnitude of it is what we are looking for. So the magnitude of 2p, the magnitude of 2p minus 3q equal to, now what do we have here? First of all, bring your square root. What is the coefficient of I here? The coefficient of I here is what? Minus 12 all square plus, what is the coefficient of what? J. Coefficient of j there is what? 11 all square. Now what do we have? This will give us square root of what? Minus 12 times minus 12 will give us what? 144 plus 11 times what? 11. 11 times 11 will give us what? 121. So finally, we have that the magnitude of 2p minus 3q equal to what? Square root of what? Square root of 265 as our answer. When you add 144, 1 to 4, 5, 2 to 4, 6, 1 to 1, 2. So that is it. So the value of the magnitude of 2p minus 2q is what? Square root of what? 265. So the rightful answer is what? C. And that is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and comment. Bye.